What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at The Dad Life. I hope everyone is having a blessed and healthy day today. In today's video, we have two sneaker unboxings. So one from the GOAT app, and then the second one is from the okay. This one is a early pair that I actually got from the sneakers app, but I think we're gonna go ahead and open up the GOAT app one first. First thing is first, what I need you guys to do is subscribe to the channel. You guys have been showing a lot of love lately, man. I've been trying to push a lot of content for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy these unboxings that I do. If you guys enjoy a lot of my unboxings, make sure you guys smash that like button so I will continue doing these sneaker unboxings. I do not like doing sneaker unboxings without showing you guys what I'm getting in the mail. So we are going to continue so you guys can see what I'm buying daily when it comes to sneakers. Hit the bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. I do have a giveaway, so make sure if you guys want to know how to enter that giveaway, or if you guys want to know what I am giving away, make sure you guys check out the description box down below. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the one that I got on GOAT app. I know a lot of people has been telling me they've been purchasing a lot of their sneakers on the GOAT app and it's been delayed. You guys already know, with this whole pandemic, I've been talking about it, that your packages will be delayed somehow, some ways. Surprisingly, I actually got this within a week, which is really surprising. I think this was probably the sneaker that I've ever purchased from GOAT that got here within a week. Like, this got here quick. So sneaker addiction is really bad. Like, I've been buying sneakers like every single week, and I think I need to slow down on it. I've been wanting this for a minute. So as you guys can see, a Jordan 1 box. Let me know your guys' experience with the GOAT app. Do you guys think the GOAT app is legit, man? I've been buying a lot of shoes from the GOAT app for like 3-4 years, so I honestly have no complaints with this. Let's go ahead and get into this. I have the GOAT sticker and then the authentication tag right here when it comes with the box. So can you guys guess what this is? Boom, as you guys can see, this is the satin Air Jordan 1 black toes. Wow. You guys already know what I gotta do when I get my Air Jordan 1s. These are so beautiful. As you guys can see, the Air Jordan Retro 1 in the satin colorway. Not the satin colorway, the black toe satin 1. So you guys already know when these came out in women's sizes, but I am a woman's 9.5, which is an 8 in men's. I was really surprised that this colorway specifically has not really gone up in resale value, because you know the whole Michael Jordan documentary, a lot of the OG colorways like the Chicagos went up like crazy, the Breads went up like crazy. Even surprisingly, the Jordan 1 lows went up like crazy. You guys remember whenever like the little low cut Air Jordan 1 retro ones, like they were going on sale for like 80-90 bucks, and now they're like at $700. So I'm really happy that I picked this up. So as you guys can see from the title, you guys probably know what this is. This actually shock dropped on the sneaker, not the sneakers app, actually on Nike.com on the browser. Air Jordan 13 Flints. These shock dropped on the Nike.com page, so it was weird because a lot of people were expecting for these to come out on the sneakers app, and I don't think it actually loaded on the sneakers app. You actually had to cop them on your desktop or laptop, whatever the case may be. I got really lucky on these, and I'm really happy I got these early, because my order confirmation said it was supposed to get here on June 2nd, but it actually got here today. So I'm happy that I could give you guys this early unboxing of the Air Jordan 13 Flint. So as you guys can see, that classic throwback Air Jordan 13 box. These are, man, gosh, these are beautiful. Air Jordan Retro 13 hasn't released since 2010. That's like 10 years ago. I think I was a freshman in high school when these, I think I was a freshman in middle school, junior high, when these the last time these came out. As you already know, with the whole mesh up top right here, it does have that 3M effect. Actually, I got rid of all my Air Jordan 13s in my collection, so this is going to be the start of my Jordan 13 collection, and I'm really happy it's the Jordan 13 Flints, man. These are sick. If you guys want to see an on-feet video on these, make sure you guys smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section which sneaker you like better. We'll do a little like sneaker battle. Do you prefer the satin black toes or do you prefer the Flint 13s? You guys let me know in the comment section below. I think out of two of these, I'm going with the Flints, man. This is a sneaker that I've been wanting for a very long time. So this is not leaving the collection. And like I said, the black toes is pretty nice, but I'm going with the 13. So you guys let me know in the comment section below. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. Like I said, make sure you guys stay blessed, stay healthy. This is the Dad Life signing in, signing out. Peace.